So I'm starting to challenge the rock around the Christmas tree for December 19th. What I've got here is a Halloween decoration of a witch going into a kettle. I am changing it to where an elf is inside Santa's bag. So there's going to be a lot of fast editing because there's a lot of painting involved, and I don't want you guys to get bored and leave me. So we're going to play some Christmas music in the middle of this just to speed up the process just a little bit because I don't want you guys to leave me. I want you to enjoy my video. So stay tuned and oh Christmas tree it is. This is Small Creator Sunday. For everybody that is under 1K subscribers are invited to do this. The collaboration today is Rock Around the Christmas Tree. The hosts are Broken Girl Aesthetic and Arrow DIY. Thank you for letting me be in this collaboration with you guys. Thank you. So I'm going to add some mix to this. It's this shimmering glaze to it to make it pop because I want his pants to sparkle because he's magical. You know, all elves are magical. Then I'm going to use some of the puffy paint that I got when I was on my trip for Thanksgiving, and we're going to add stripes to his legs and everything, and I think that's going to make it look more like tights. It's a really interesting project because it started as just an idea and now it's turned into a physical prop that I put on my door. So everybody loves it. I love it. It's cute. Please stay to the end and finish watching it. There's a lot of painting and I'm sorry that it's taking so long, but if I would have not shortened these videos, the clips, it would have went 48 minutes long. Just the painting, not including all the other things I did, like put in some of the packages and toys for Santa. It probably would have took an hour and a half long because I was working on it every night for 3 nights when I get off work. So I love it. It's so cute. So what I'm doing here is I'm adding some of this red and green metallic sort of shimmery iridescent fabric to the area where I'm going to make it into a bag. It's the illusion of it's big, so we're going to add a little bit of batting or cotton in the bottom to fluff it up. We're going to use a few things like drawstrings from the baker's twine to draw in the section around the kettle area to make it look like it's a bag. Once I do that, then I'm going to add a few little trinkets from Hobby Lobby, some of the erasers, the Christmas erasers that they have. Also, they had a truck, which was a little tiny truck. It was sort of like a metal or plastic piece. I took off the pumpkin of it and decided to use that as a present sticking out of the bag. So once you see all that, you'll be like, oh, I can see it as Santa's bag. It's really cool. I was looking for all kinds of little tiny things that I had around the house and looked in my stash, of course, because we all have a lot of stuff in our stash that we shouldn't have. But yes, I didn't want to go and buy anything, and I figured I probably have something here that I could use. So, very simple, very easy. That's pretty much what I did. Trying to have fun. We're going to play a little bit more music, maybe another song, and then we'll close this up and you can see the finished product. I'm so excited for you guys. Thank you very much for being with me today. And I don't know what else I could say except for thank you. Thank you. It's above my heart, and Merry Christmas to everyone. My name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay.